Hey guys, I got a problem. I got a gigantic death pile of so many different items that I need to start going through it and just getting it listed and getting it out of my way so I can make space for more items. Today's episode, I'm going to be going through my board game death pile, and I think I may have a puzzle or two in there as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you guys through the process of how I'm thinking this through and how I'm going to get these listed and what platforms I'm going to put them on.
Alright, so here's the damage here. Look at all these. Oh, most of these are sealed games. Some are not. Look at that. Look at that damage I got. This was just taking up a lot of space in the front room that I had here. And now what I'm going to be doing is going through each of these and identifying what platform I should sell them on and for how much. Where can I maximize my profit, and also how quickly can I turn it?
So you may be wondering, why do I have such a big stack of games right now? All these games I pretty much just grab if I am getting close to like a discount threshold when I'm out at the thrift store. Here in Goodwill for Arizona, it's $20 you have to hit to be able to get a 20% off coupon that is able to be activated. So a lot of times I'll be at like 15, 16, 17, 18, $19, and I can't hit that threshold, and so I just go and I always see what's in the board games, and if there's something that's sealed and it's like maybe $2 or $3, I usually grab it. And so what happens is I trigger that discount and that game becomes free, and then I get a little bit more discount on off of my total order as well. So a lot of times those games are just pretty much just freebies for me when I'm going out there, because I'm triggering a discount and it's just like a free item that I'm throwing in there to be able to hit that discount. It gets paid for right away by the discount. Now the best way for myself to get organized is get out a notepad, and I'm making 3 columns here of game, platform, and price. So this is going to help me get organized when I start researching it. I've gone through and listed all of my games, and I think I have one puzzle in here as well. But look at that, I got a huge list right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go look at platforms. So I want to see if I'm unlocked on any of these for Amazon. If they're in pristine new condition, I will try to sell them there first. Then I will look at what eBay's profits are after shipping and fees, and then determine if that's a viable platform. And then after that, I will look at selling local on Facebook Marketplace and OfferUp, because I've done really well on those. And then what I'll do is I'll put my prices in there. So then once I am done, I'm going to be able to go and just use this for helping me get my listings up as quickly as possible. All right, so I went through all of them and looked up comps and broke them down into 3 piles. And I actually went through and put what platforms and what prices I would get for all of them. And it came out to be over $900 worth of product here, and that includes shipping on there for ones that will ship. So what I'm going to do is show you the first pile here, and this is actually the pile of stuff that we are going to keep for ourselves. This curling game is not worth that much, so I just even consider it. But my son will love that. That'll be fun one to play. This was a cool game. I thought this would be a nice game to play with the family. It just seemed like a neat game. I've never seen this one before, and it would actually look nice on like a coffee table. And then Pokemon Monopoly. My son really likes that one, so we'll play that one. And if he ever gets bored of it, I could sell it for, I think, about $40. This pile here will all go on eBay. Some ones to highlight on here is, let's see, Trivia for Dummies goes for 40. Careers will go for 45. Ship 20 questions, 40. Cranium, this one will go for 40. Office one, I wish this was in better shape. I think I am actually eligible to sell that one on Amazon if I remember, but if it's pristine, it's basically like I can't sell it with
that plastic like that on Amazon new. That goes for like $120 on Amazon, but I will sell that for $60. Stage 2, this one I was kind of borderline if I would sell it here or locally, but that'll go for $45. That jigsaw puzzle will go for $45. Seen It second edition, that one would also be a great one for Disney, or for Facebook. That one will go for $70 on eBay. Axis and Allies $45. Family Guy Life, that one will go for $60. That holiday one that we have there, Scrabble $50. Mayberry one goes for $70. Right, there's a Scrabble holiday, and then what was the one in between there? I can't see. Oh, Parcheesi, $35. Now everything in this pile is actually going to go on to Facebook Marketplace, and I may cross-post it on OfferUp as well. They're all ones that don't do as well, or just condition-wise, I don't want to put on eBay as well. It's like this Kevin Bacon one. The condition's not the best. It doesn't really sell the best, so I'll probably sell that one for about like $10 locally. The Caddyshack one I'll sell for $15. The Cranium Game of the Year, I was tempted to put it on eBay, but that one didn't seem like it sold as well as the other one. So that one I will sell for $20 locally because I don't have to worry about shipping on there. The Seen It Here Comedy Movies doesn't sell as good on eBay, so I will put that one $20 locally. I think I get someone to buy this Beatles one for $25, even though it's used, though only one card group was opened in there. That Yahtzee is like $10. This Rams Monopoly, I'm looking at, let's see here. Yeah, that Rams Monopoly, I'm looking at $20 on it. And then let's see, Seen It one down there, $15, and then what's the last one? The Hunting one, Huntingopoly, which is a weird one, $20 locally as well. So hopefully I could sell that pile pretty quick locally. I'll put it on Facebook and then probably OfferUp as well.
So thank you guys for taking the time to check this out. I'm pretty excited about finally getting this death pile taken care of. It's been taking up a big space of mine, just overall in the house. You can see how many games there are there. So it looks like it's going to be over $900 in sales once I get those all through. And so that's going to be some nice profit in my pocket just of some items that have been just sitting around for a while. So let me know what type of death piles that you guys have. Are there specific categories that you guys are attacking or looking to attack? I have a few more of these videos, specific death piles that I'm going to be going after, and in those I'll be able to show you guys some specific bolos in there as well that you guys can look out for. So if you like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up, and always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.